Hey y'all, so I'm gonna straighten my hair down the middle, and I have a permanent part in my hair now. Sorry if it looks all retarded. We're not all perfect, but yeah, I'm gonna straighten it down the middle, part it down the middle. Trying to get that straight down the middle part, and just so I can have my hair even on both sides, looking like Pocahontas and shit. I'm gonna take my virgin tea tree growth oil, and I lost the top to it. And I'm just gonna put that all throughout my scalp because I have severely dry scalp that I have to figure out how to fix. And then I'm just gonna like put it all through like my hair shaft and down my hair. Then I'm gonna take my Garnier Fructis leave-in conditioner, Sleek and Shine, and I'm just gonna put that quarter size amount or that dollar size amount on both sides of my head. You know what? Not even. It's a whole $3 amount. Cause dime size, where? Yeah, I'm gonna take my Denman brush and brush that shit out. Brush was like $8 at my local beauty supply store. Greatest thing I could have ever purchased. It gets my hair super curly, super detangled. It's just God's plan. And that brush. Take that $4 amount. Jokes. And just put it on the other side. Yes, hunty. Get up. Get all that shedding going on. Brush that shit out again. Ooh. Yes, hunty. Get that shit lit. I'm like, don't it look so nice when I brush my hair? Like, look at that. And it's all shiny. Don't worry about the residue that you see in your hair when you're brushing it, combing it, because it will dry clear. It won't dry white. So don't have to worry about that. So let me make sure it's all smooth. Prep myself for my braids. Shedding again. So I'm going to take my curl and actually, no, I'm not. I'm going to take my Sulfur 8 and I'm going to put that all throughout the part in my head because like I said, I have severely dry scalp. And I only put the Sulfur 8 where needed. Now I'm going to go with my curling Hansen smoothie. My Holy Grail, which is almost empty. I gotta get some more. And I'm gonna take that $5 amount and I'm gonna put that on the hair shaft. Yes, get it all in there. Make sure it's all mixed up in there. And then just brush my hair again. I can't believe it's now butter. It glides in so easily. I love it. Yes, we're gonna take the handy dandy Eco Styling Gel. Put that all throughout the shaft of the hair. The Eco Styling Gel is what really sets it off with the Shea Moisture. Shit is lit, boys, lit. So we're gonna go start the braid now. And mind you guys, I'm a total beginner. I just learned how to braid like 3 months ago, so bear with me. So it's like, I'm getting it, but I'm not sure if the braid is coming out right. So, you know, like practice makes perfect, and I just like dusted myself off and I tried again because mama ain't raised no failure. I didn't like it, so I started over. So I don't know if this makes sense for you guys, but take a little piece of hair, make it in 3 sections, single braid it, and then after you finish single braiding it, you're gonna start picking up sections of hair. Me, it's easy if I pick up sections of hair with my middle finger. So it's like everywhere my middle finger goes, that's where I pick up the section of hair and I just incorporate into the braid. And like I said, I'm not like a real bomb braider. So I'm going to post a Natural 85 video in the description bar since she has a tutorial on how to braid, aka cornrow. Because I suck at it, but I don't suck at it for my hair. Yes, got that. So make sure you don't got no tangles in it. Brush that bad bitch out again. And the braid, I didn't make it too tight. Didn't make it too loose. Even though I should have made it tighter. Just to get like a more defined curl. But it's still going to come out popping. Excuse my attire. I was in the midst of getting dressed to go bowling with the sis. But look at that. Look at that shine. And look how easy it glides into the braid. Mind you, my hair is not soaking wet, but it's wet with like mad water, and that's the only way like I can really do my hair. So make sure you twist your end, scrunch it up so it won't come out. And look at that braid. Shit lit, boy. I'm gonna do the same thing to the other side. Yes, get that shea moisture in there popping. That eco styling gel in there popping. That denman brush in there popping. Yeah, let me stop. Let me stop. Like I said before, don't be discouraged about the residue left in your hair because it will dry. Make sure you get a lot of that in there. Guapa Eco Styling Gel. And just fix it up. Like, it doesn't have to be too chic. It doesn't have to be too clean. It doesn't have to be too sleek. Just know, like, this is a protective style for me. So the same thing applies on this side, single braid, and I don't take too much time to single braid it because, like I said, it doesn't have to be perfect. But if I'm explaining this correctly, every time you want to pick some hair up and incorporate in a braid, just take your middle finger and just follow the pattern, if it makes sense. It took me about a month and a half to do my hair without looking in the mirror. Make sure it's all nice and sleek, and I think the left side came out way better than the right, but that's just my opinion. Either way, it's still a cute hairstyle that I could rock for a while before I take it out. And I just look at how it glides. It's like butter, and I can't believe it's not butter. Look at that. Like, no tangles at all. I didn't even have to use a brush on the side. It just glides just like that. So once I start getting to the end, I'm just gonna like wrap it around itself, and I'm gonna scrunch it, and it just stays just like that. Just like that, just like that. All that product I got on my hands. A little bit more gel on it, twist it, scrunch it, and it's gonna stay. Yes. Look at that, look at that. Sleek to shine. So, like, I got these hair clips from my local beauty supply store, and I'm gonna put those in my hair. But first, let me slay and lay these edges for y'all real quick. Y'all know what to do. Toothbrush and the Eco Styling Gel, which I have to get some real edge control now because the Eco Styling Gel makes my edges flake up really bad. But I'm still use it until like it's my Blueberry Bliss curls. What's that shit called? I just said it. Edge control. Do the other side. Bloop, bloop. And it's sometimes my edges work with me, sometimes my edges don't work with me, but today they seem to be working with me instead of against me. So I'm gonna take my clippies and I'm just gonna put those all throughout my hair. Just gonna put those all in here. I'm gonna put one on each side, one on the left side, one on the right side, on top in the actual braid. And it's just something cute to like just give you a little bit more pizzazz. You can tell that braid is loose right there in the top, but it doesn't really matter because this is gonna end up being a braid out anyway. Super cute. Make sure that you get your edges so nice. Get them little flyaways. Something. Oh, no. Oh, there you go. Yeah, sis. Slay and lay 'em. I'm forever dancing. I just want y'all to know that. So in every video, I'm gonna be forever dancing. But yes, we're gonna skip ahead. That's just how this video went. We're just gonna skip ahead into the braid out. We're gonna like fake it till we make it. So y'all know how y'all got the fake YouTube or the real YouTube to be like slow motion for y'all. That ain't me. That ain't me. I'm goofy as fuck. See? Bye y'all. Thanks for watching. And we're back the next day. And we're taking out these braids. Yes. Oh well. So yes, we're gonna take out the clippies, and I should have oiled my hands, but I didn't because in real life I forgot. But my hair is already moisturized, and I really don't mind the frizz that much because my hair doesn't frizz up that much unless it rains or unless it's humid. So we're just gonna start from the bottom, and we're gonna let the braid separate where it naturally wants to separate. And sometimes I pull at it because it's easier like that. And we're just gonna keep taking it out until we reach the top. And then wait for it, y'all. Wait for it. Wait for it. My hair attacked me. Boom. Poked me in the eye. It's messed up. But yeah, we're gonna keep on taking out the braid. And you see how like easy it's coming apart? Like I said, like butter. It's so, oh my gosh. First of all, my hair is just mad moisturized. And I get a lot of compliments on that. I was about to make up a word. But yes, the moisture in my hair. Shit is lit, boy, lit. Litty titty. Like, look at the definition already. And I'm not even fully finished taking out the braid yet. And I'm trying to be as careful as possible. So, like, I won't have no breakage. Yes. Shit is lit. Oh my gosh. And before I started doing braid outs, like, I never knew how to do a successful braid out. So, I'm low-key, high-key glad that I learned how to cornrow. Y'all seen that twirl at the end right here? That's what that twirl and scrunch does. Same thing I did to the left side. I'm gonna do to the right side. And just let it separate where it naturally wants to separate. That's the problem with a lot of people. They don't let their hair separate where it naturally wants to. And they get all these snags and tangles and knots. Not I, said Imani. Not I. I'm low-key mad ratchet. But it's alright though. Because I love me. And y'all love me too. And I love y'all. And we all got a little bit of ratchetivity in us. But yes. Look out. Oh, y'all. I remember my first braid out. When I was like first starting into like the whole, oh my god, I like these hairstyles. I'm gonna do a braid out. I was on like singular braids. And I was using like retarded products that I didn't know nothing about before I like educated myself a little bit more. Shit came out trash. But this right here, this shit right here is bomb.com. I'm mad serious. Trying to like focus on taking this braid out without no snags. But oh my goodness, it's so shiny. Oh my god. I'm like mad mesmerized and I'm the one that took my hair out. So we're just gonna fluff our hair at the roots. Look at that. Oh my god. Shit is lit, y'all. Shit is definitely lit. Make sure that you get your front because that's where you want all the volume to be. Make sure you get the middle and the back. Yeah, she looks so cute. That's me. Yes, y'all. Thank you for watching this video. I'll see y'all in the next one.